Hello everybody, welcome to a new video by Technopeople. And in this video, I will be showing you guys two extra tags in HTML, the blockquote tag and the marquee tag. Alright, so the blockquote tag is used to insert a piece of text which has more emphasis than the rest of the text, and it will do so by inserting extra margins. Alright, so it is used to display a segment of text as a separate block by placing it within extra margins. So this is done so that it stands out from the rest of the text. We will be seeing how it looks. So I'm going to put some text inside the blockquote tag. Alright, so I start by defining a paragraph tag, inside of which I will define a new blockquote tag. And inside the blockquote tag, I will type one of my favorite quotes, which is by Charles Adams. Alright, so normal is an illusion. What is normal for the for the spider is chaos for the fly. Alright, so that is my quote there. And next, what I'm going to do after this is I'm going to close the paragraph tag right here. I'll just close the paragraph tag right here. And after that, I will just type over here between the paragraph tag and the closing of the blockquote tag by Charles Adams. So just two hyphens there, Charles Adams. Alright, so I will save that and I shall run it to see if my blockquote tag has worked well. Alright, so I'm gonna open my HTML file there. It's here. I'll just open that up. This was my web page in my previous videos. Alright, so if you see here, it has inserted the blockquote. So this is the blockquote with more emphasis because of the extra margins, and it looks great. So that is the extra emphasis. Alright, so have you heard of a marquee before? Marquee is basically a piece of text that moves over here in the top, displaying some kind of text. Alright, so we are gonna do a marquee here. So the marquee tag is also really simple. So we use it by defining a marquee tag first. Alright, so marquee. I'll close that. And after that, I am going to just display the text. Please subscribe to my channel. So that's the text to be displayed in the marquee. And I'm going to close the marquee tag over there. Okay, so great. And just to tell you guys, the marquee tag has a number of attributes, some of which I'll be showing now. So one is the width of the marquee. So I want the width of the marquees to be something like marquee width. The width of the marquee, I want it to be of 125%, the original width. And I want the height of the marquee. So the height of the marquee, I want it to be 30 pixels. Alright, and after that, we also have two more, for example, BG color. BG color gives the color of the marquee, so I want the BG color to be red. Alright, and one final attribute, this is the most important attribute, so it is the behavior attribute. So the behavior attribute of the marquee tag says what the marquee does. It can scroll or slide. Okay, so I will set this behavior to be scroll. So it will scroll past the screen. So that's my marquee tag here. It's really simple. So I will just save that and I'll run it again. Okay. My marquee does not. Yes. So this is my marquee here. So it just goes past with please subscribe to my channel. So the text will be repeated again and again. So awesome. My marquee looks really good. And let's test out the other two behaviors. So there are three behaviors for the marquee tag in total: the scroll, slide, and the alternate value. So I will just say slide now. Alright, so just to tell you guys, I don't like it being here in the bottom of the page. So I will add it in the top of the page before the first heading. Okay, so that's my marquee tag. I will save that And now if you see the behavior slide, and let's see what changes that. Alright, so you can see my marquee here. Please subscribe to my channel. Now it is sliding. So there's no notable difference between scroll and slide. It's the same thing, but those two are valid values for the behavior attribute. Let's try the final one, the alternate value of the attribute. So alternate. I will save that and I'll run it again. And I just see this coming like that. So these three are the values of the behavior attribute. So you can set any one of these, and this is the marquee you're getting. You can also try experimenting with the background color. For example, you don't want red, you want yellow instead. I'll save that and I'll run it again to see a yellow marquee here. Alright, so if you saw what that did, the alternate value just brought this. Please subscribe to my channel till the end. And after that it bounced back, and now it's coming towards the right. Alright, so that's the attribute value, and you can just experiment around with the width, height, and the other attributes. Alright, so that's my marquee tag, and I just wanted to show you guys these two tags this time, just for extra reference. Alright, so I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Alright, have a good day and goodbye.